So I'm trying out this special blend of Sparkfun solder. It's a sampler, and I'm going to just solder the connections here on my circuit that I've created. It's going to be a soft circuit, but I just want to make sure that the connection points don't come apart. Okay, here it is all soldered up. This solder works really well. Didn't have any trouble getting the solder to melt, and the joints look pretty good. So now I will connect it together to see if it all works. Okay, so it's hard to tell what the original form looked like, but now I've attached it to the adapter and plugging it in, and yay, it lights up. Now I don't have any switches inserted, so I can't really do anything with that, but I could take this and sew it if I wanted, and it'll flex here but not at the joints because those are soldered. So as you can see, solder joints, and the wire is flexible, so I can still sew it.